Hello YouTube, I'm Mike from MJ Farmstead, and today we're going to be going over this product by Lush and Dew. They are a seed bank company, and they're all about reconnecting people with the food that they eat and helping out the aspiring gardeners. Let's get right into this review and check out what they got. So Lush and Dew reached out to me a couple weeks back. They're a family team based in Centennial, Colorado. Their idea is to bring children and adults to enjoy the closeness of nature and find relaxing refuge in the connection to Mother Earth, which is super cool. Some of the key features of Lush and Dew products, guys, and this is going off of what they've talked to me about, is high quality seeds. They're seed banks. They are viable for 1 to 3 years, kept in cool, dry climates. They are hand processed and tested for high germination rates with a 100% grow guarantee. Doesn't mean that 100% of your seeds are going to take, but I believe they boast very high germination rates, which in the seed world, if you guys know anything about germination, germination is everything. The more germination of seeds, the more plants you can grow essentially, which is awesome. It's got this beautifully crafted box right here. We're going to get into this in just a second, but the seeds are all underneath this, and we'll get a closer view in just a second. So this is perfect for gift sets to loved ones. They have customizable seed banks as well to meet specific needs of gardeners, and they're all about quality over quantity. So let's take a deeper dive into this box and see what they got. So placing this up here, it shows us how these are all lined up and individually cased. This is basil. They're all labeled underneath. Beautifully crafted box. This is like pleasing, very much pleasing to the eyes. Super organized, because I know sometimes your seeds, if you have them in those paper packages, they can just get all over the place. But each one is individually labeled. My camera would focus. So we have zinnias, butterfly milkweed, sunflower, daisies, lupine or lupine, black-eye Susans, Iceland poppies, lavenders, pumpkins. These are blue lake beans. I'm assuming it's a bush bean, might be a pole bean. Squash, cucumber, borage, catnip, chives, and Greek basil in this package. And this is the all-in-one Save the Bees seed bank. We're going to be doing a test of these before I post any links and affiliate codes. Just a fair warning. So I want to make sure that these guys are up to par and up to the standards. We try to be as truthful as we can on all our reviews, and we don't want to boast a product if we don't stand behind it. So definitely keep those notification bells on, guys. We're going to be doing plantings with this. Either this year I might start a few of the seeds that I have like excess of, like the catnip and probably some of this lavender. Grosso lavender, nice. So once we get a germination test and we see that these seeds are going to be viable and we do truly back this company, we will be posting affiliate links just so you guys have fair warning. If you do see an affiliate link in this video at the time of posting it, that just means that we've done the planting and we've seen the germination of some of the seeds that they've given us, and that means that we're behind the product, guys. If that's the case, we receive a little bit of a kickback from them as an affiliate, but we'll also be giving out a discount code as well. I believe they're giving us 15% for anyone who purchases. I hope this review was helpful, but man, it's a beautiful box. I'm not sure what kind of wood it is, but it's super nice, and everything just packs right in there. And you don't have to worry about your seeds falling around or getting wet in the garden, because you'll pop this open just like that, plant your seeds, close it up, put it back in here. If something was to get wet, it'll at least stay a little bit more dry. But I think that's all I got for you guys on this review video. It's a super nice package, and I really like the case that it comes in. Very organized, appealing to the eyes. I think that's all I got for you guys today, but I'll definitely be posting another update video on how these seeds do. And until next time, guys, I will catch you on the farm.